Little story of Benny and Johnny, two Jersey kids with nothing to lose. One day at Johnny's place, there was a party. Johnny said, "Hey Benny, can we get some booze?" They both jumped until they got wasted. On the way home, they crashed and died. Oh yeah, their lives are gone. Now they're dead, John. His morning is lost. Yeah. Little story of Benny and Johnny, two Jersey kids with nothing to lose. One day at a party, Johnny offered Benny a beer. Benny said, "No way, man, just get out of here." Oh yeah, this life goes on. Just 'cause he stood up